Ivory, if you want me to zoom you around in a box, you gotta sit still. No, we're not gonna play with the heater. Ivory, you little princess. There you go. I'm not gonna steal your toy. Whoa! Ivory, you little rascal. Come here. Where's your toy? There it is. There you go. Come on, come get it. You like that? You want more, Ivory? You want more? Okay. I'll give you more. You just keep being interactive with that toy. Oh, now you want out.